Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access biometrics and password. Then tap on lock screen password and tap on change unlock method. Now you can click on the best one for you. 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Now you get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finish, hit done at the bottom right corner. Now you can select Add in the pop-up to add your fingerprint right away. You can also tap on Cancel and do it later. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!